Robinhood's IPO is tomorrow, and here's what you need to know. Before we get into this video, I want to thank all of my viewers for watching my videos and helping support my channel. I want to be able to keep making these videos and bring you news that you all want to see. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more daily content. You can also help support my channel by using my referral links in the description below by signing up for Webull and earning yourself a free stock worth $300 to $300. The best part is you don't even have to invest or make a trade, and you can earn another free stock worth $8,000 to $2,000 just by making a $5 deposit. It's a limited time promotion and you don't want to miss it. Go claim your free stock. Back in the old days, if you wanted to invest in stocks or trade stocks, you'd usually have to open up an account with a large brokerage who charged commissions between every transaction you make. And sometimes that's on top of management fees, until Robinhood came along. Robinhood's take from the rich and spread the wealth, democratizing finance for all, is led by none other than Vlad Tenev, who made investing and trading stocks possible without commissions, using something called payment for order flow, which is essentially routing their customers' trades to other trading firms, and in return they receive a commission. Sounds sketchy, but it is legal, and I've talked about this in one of my other videos. Link will be in the description below. Now, Robinhood's trading platform is free, but in order for them to be free, they have to get money from somewhere. Payment for order flow has been around for quite some time, but it received a lot of scrutiny because of the GameStop situation, and it looks like he's under investigation again.
FINRA, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, is looking into the fact that the popular trading app CEO is not licensed by the agency. This comes just ahead of the company's much anticipated public debut. Matt Egan joins me now. Matt, and this is one of the stories that you picked up on right in the beginning, but I think we just need to understand what the issue is here, because my understanding is if you are the CEO of a parent company, and that's what the CEO of Robinhood is, then you don't need to be licensed, regulated by FINRA. So what's the issue here, and what might regulators be asking questions about?
Well, Julia, legal experts have told me that this is a bit of a gray area. FINRA does require that the CEOs of registered broker-dealers get licensed with the agency. Now, the goal is to make sure that these executives get the training, that they demonstrate the competence that they need for these important jobs, and also it lets the public track whether or not there's any violations. Now, Robinhood would argue, to your point, that it's in the clear here because Vlad Tenev is the CEO of the parent company that owns the broker-dealer. But some experts that I talked to in February, when we reported on this news, they were alarmed by the fact that Tenev is not registered because he's the public face of the company. I mean, recall how he testified in front of Congress earlier this year during the Reddit and GameStop hearings. There's also one former compliance officer told me that this is a huge story on a scale of 1 to 10. It's a 10. I think the key, though, is going to be how regulators conclude just how involved Vlad Tenev is in the sort of the day-to-day operations of the company. And some of Tenev's previous comments could come back to haunt him. He did that interview on Clubhouse with Elon Musk earlier this year, where he described being really involved in some of the negotiations, the very delicate negotiations with Robinhood's clearinghouse over how much capital the company needed to put up. Now, we don't know how this is going to end as far as this investigation, but clearly, Julia, regulators are looking very closely at Robinhood ahead of this blockbuster IPO.
Yeah, and they do have a president that heads up each of these individual business lines, whether it's the clearinghouse operations, whether it's the brokerage too. And I guess that's the other point that they're going to make here. And there is precedent. Does Jack Dorsey have a FINRA?
No, so Jack Dorsey is not registered with FINRA. However, Charles Schwab, CEO, is registered with FINRA, and Webull, which is a rival of Robinhood, their CEO is also licensed with FINRA. So as I said, it is a bit of a gray area.
The timing is certainly not good for Tenev nor Robinhood. That's going to be it for this video. Let me know what your thoughts are by leaving a comment. If you found this video to be entertaining, informative, or educational, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more content, and share this video.